Ano so me kan we hu de me pachiri. We de me fro mama prekupe. Because me papa ene nana kwadwo Jantuah. Ame hye na se. Ma good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Bacho na ho ye de.
EwuraAdwoa. Na monso e.
Adom ne mpaibo ye ho ye pa. Abusua wa ye surprise ya. Mene Mrs. Jantuah. Ena kasa. Mama.
Hello.
Only nana kwadwo Jantuah aware for how many years?
11 years.
11 years.
Yes.
Wow.
This
Wonderful.
month, 11 years.
This month, they been 11 years. Wow. Na mami misawu enipa de mo na motie because ye de hu na bonten ye ken. Opia na ye hu na bonten. But wo dance ni di mu kire se una wonim kokoa mu de nyina sanso nim abonten de de ye hu de wa bonten ye hu ne ye ka ho asem. Woni nana kwadwo Jantuah tena ye emfie yi nyina mu no. Se ye ka se kanoma be miensa bi ye fa no ho a. Mama, pacho de na abeka.
Sorry, okay.
Nhyira.
I don't see any day. Me go the beka bebre, but three that I work at America. The first one I would like to say is that he is who he says he is.
He is who he says he is.
Onye two-faced. Say, so go ha. So the one who said how he behaves outside, no, here were different.
Right.
Said the workers or say left a left. Ultimately, stand oh, and a year, oh, and a bow, a left. Whether he's at home or at work, he will never change it.
Wow.
He is who he says he is.
Or a genuine.
Yeah.
Fake
it. No.
Wow.
Wow. And the second one I would say is that he's extremely consistent. Onye ene form watching us through whatever they are no. I'm not saying these things to make him look good to anybody. There's no time for that.
Yeah.
He's very consistent. So I say yeah, say yeah. So I no so. And I said yeah. Me no even years before we got married now. He has not changed. He's consistent. Yes.
Wow. Next will be one more. We can say menene sabi o ye date no na ni suban ko me ware de no so asesa Jantuah sa.
Yes. And our office amatis and colleagues so to say but obefie so to say.
Wow.
Or you're consistent with caring, with being kind, with being hardworking, all the good things, self-respect and respect for others. Unjai, and yet Yaubekan, Obejai. He's extremely consistent.
Wow.
And thirdly, I'll say he's very hardworking. He's very, very hardworking. There are no lazy days for him.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
That's who he is, whether he's married or not. This is who he is.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Na say sha aso warefo ewo aware ni mu no be ma bi a wote sei no den na won so watumi aye a atumi aboa no because yes etu enya chiginafo a na eto na yes of course na sebe predias and say ansa na obi be hunu dwem no ba fan be hunu dwem na firi obi metri so den ya be ma otumi kọ nanim drum pempensu obi no. Behind every successful man you see a very good woman, a virtuous woman. Na den na watumi akeka abomu aye a atumi amanana atumi adrum pempensu a wadri.
It takes the grace of God. Because to be with a hard-working man and a very, very strict one like this, it takes grace.
Wow.
So you need to be prayerful and very understanding, especially with his timing.
Okay.
And when you're that,
Only say manfo suro ye a wale ye pa because in central for no see na de Jantuah say se wohwe a ahomache me ye mo 3:30 na masori me kwagyawo bi kura bi a meba na ade asa na kwadwo Jantuah no kura de and the time no kura de bi ni ho kura yempo ni ye ni o ye doso okọ ha no ye sei no ye ade ane ade etia na bebre fin say omo be ware such people no ehu pa like they fear to marry such people to say
because it's difficult anameboa because apart from so young censure and so training he's lecturing, he's doing other consultancies. There's a lot of things are all at once.
Wow.
And you and I know, say, he's always picking up another certificate. He has about 3 MBAs. He has PhD. He's always thinking about going to school again.
Wow.
That's all that includes everything that he's doing at work. On shutdown need time. And he say, oh, you'll be a uni abotre and then tiasema nipa woyena. Uni ne between the beer.
Wow.
Because we need time on share. But this is all that makes him who he is.
Yeah.
Okay, wasa unya ntiasie.
Wow.
Na odem pa bota na chi na de ra de bia hye ne muntia. Awoso ye we nyina no otimi.
Wow.
Yeah.
I mean sure mama na o last words minim say obebe fie anwumre. Anwumre nsem no be ye de a chen de obeka no radio suimum. Na otie usisi ede na wo ka kire ukunu ura.
Never catch no. And they say, and you made the anyway that you said they will come.
My who that
But the person make a turn to say, Yamin Shano. Na ni din somewhere now with their man. And she would deal him. And cause one din and him kind and shenema. No bonnet whom by a quine in name. Funny home in Butunism. A man ni rain feed down to say, me don't pee.
All right. Mama yeda CP na Nhyira. All right. Nhyira 104.5. Mama Adwoa Jantuah na wote ne nka no. Oba papa bi. Na se oyere bedi ho dance yesi no. Zando.
There's several kind of last one every day.
So